My name is Ricardo Amils. I'm a emeritus professor from the Universidad Autónoma de Madrid and a member of the Centro of Astrobiology. And today I will tell you the importance of the dark biosphere, I mean life without radiation, in astrobiology. I mean, the life in the absence of radiation in the deep subsurface was advanced by Darwin, but it took us 200 years to show that he was right. And right now, this is a very interesting subject, so especially in relation to the astrobiology to find life in other planets.